Hello, dear viewers. Today we have in front of us a laptop Acer Extensa EX2519 C32X 15.6 inches, Intel Celeron H3061 and 6 GHz in turbo mode 248, RAM 248 and 500 screw. Today we will look at how the laptop is disassembled, respectively, how the memory changes and find out how many slots this laptop has from memory. We unfold, well, rather, we already have a laptop. And unfolded, we untwist. There are a lot of bolts. I've already unwound some bolts here. This is my first video that I upload to YouTube, so don't scold me for any wrong things, actions. Subsequently, there will be video reviews, laptops will be. We will disassemble, consider, and so on. So, we look at all the bolts. We take an ordinary plastic card, we pick it up and carefully this whole thing is revealed in this way, in principle, nothing complicated. That's it, our top case is practically disconnected. So let's take it away. Carefully, because here we have the plumes of the plume as it is correct. That's it, the case is disconnected here. Carefully remove it and put it aside. Well, there's nothing interesting here. Well, that's what we get. The hard disk mat board, well, actually, and all of this. So, now, to show us the RAM, we need to remove the motherboard. Disconnect all connectors. Pull out the digger did not get in the way. So, disconnect, connect the Wi-Fi module. And we pull it out. So we look carefully disconnect the loop in the form of an image. Here it snaps off neatly. Everything was disconnected, now we unscrew the bolt. Unscrew the hard drive, take it out. We do everything carefully, because we can do something the most. We are looking. So, what else is stopping us here? So, the cooler will also have to be unscrewed. That's it. So carefully take it out and look, so as not to tear it off. There's a cable on here. Actually, we have a motherboard, one slot. Here's our 2 GB memory card. Here, in principle, it is pulled out and changes to 4 or 8 at most. Here. Everything, nothing complicated, the main thing is to do everything carefully and everything will be great. That's how everything works out in reverse order. Thanks for the review. Have a nice day. Goodbye.